So beginning with this initial assignment page, you'll see the description, what's required for the course or for the assignment. But you may be wondering, okay, how do I actually upload? Well, it's very easy. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice that there is a reply button. Simply click on that. That's going to open up a dialog box right below. The option that we're looking for is the record and upload media feature. And here, what we want to do is upload or record media. Clicking on that button will bring us to this initial screen, which by default is trying to grab a file from your computer. This may be helpful for those who have maybe recorded their video response, maybe on their smartphone or another device that's not this device, and they then need to sort of bring that recorded file into the course so they can upload it. The computer option is where you'll do that by either clicking or dragging and dropping the file here. This will allow for you to upload your video. But if you want to record it using the technology that's currently connected to this desktop or laptop, you simply hit the record button. And here you're going to get a little preview of what that video might look like. You can see me here. I'm in my office. It's a little messy right now, but I just want to give you guys a preview here. So the mic feature here, if you click on that, it will let you select between your various options for microphone inputs. I currently have two. The default is set to Snowball, which is a much higher quality microphone, a USB microphone. But I also have a mic that's built directly into my webcam, which is okay. But for this purpose, I wanted to have the best possible audio, so I chose to plug up an external microphone. You might see like this bar moving. This is simply a volume meter gauge, is letting you know just how loud your audio is that it's recording. You typically want to have it somewhere near where I'm at. If it is barely registering or it's not moving at all, that means that it's having a problem picking up your audio. It could be, again, because maybe you have the wrong source selected or you don't have any mic selected, in which case you would need to have something in order to finish this particular assignment. But we can see I got bar movement there, and the closer I come into the microphone, the louder it gets. But that's just for the audio portion. The webcam here is the button you would click on to see, okay, here are my options in terms of video. I only have one webcam, so that's fine. So when I'm ready to begin recording, honestly, before I even get to this point, I want to have already had gone through the questions, sort of figured out what my responses would be, and either in my mind or on a piece of paper maybe, I would have my responses queued up and ready to go. So I would start by hitting the start recording. It gave you sort of a 3-second countdown before you actually started recording anything. And here you would go into, again, your responses, your intro, talking about a little bit about yourself. And then when you're done with all of that, you would hit finish. And in this preview window here, we can see that my recording is 18 seconds long. And I can preview it if I want here by hitting the playhead. Or I can hit the start over button if maybe I didn't like my recording, or if I forgot a question, or if I just didn't meet all the requirements of the assignment. I can simply hit start over and redo it. But once I'm satisfied, I hit save. This will then upload it from my computer and save it in our Canvas course in the cloud and the internet. So that may take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how large your video is or how long your recording was and the speed of your internet connection. So those things are all will influence how long that takes for it to show up. But mine's done. Again, I can hit play to preview. I can hit this to look at it at full screen. Click it again to go back to minimize that. Either way, once I'm done and I'm satisfied with my video, I simply just post a reply at that point. And from here, it then becomes available for all of the students, right? Everybody in the class can now watch my video and leave a comment. You are required to, in addition to uploading your own video introduction, you're required to reply to someone else's post. That doesn't have to be video. You can simply give a critique or some constructive feedback just via text. That's fine. But once you have both uploaded your own video and then replied to the post of others, you have successfully completed this assignment. Thank you. Take care.